Yeah, welcome guys to our JavaScript mob. It's been long since we held a mob online, and we are sorry for that. We had issues to deal with our in-house team, so at least now they are sorted, and we can now do this comfortably. So last time we did numbers. You can go to the Podi channel and check our previous video. The last video on JavaScript was on numbers, but the part we had reached was hexadecimals. So JavaScript, we will continue with this up to where time will cut us short. We are supposed to be starting at 15:00 UTC +3 time zone, but we had to do some things. Sorry for that. Yeah. So hexadecimals, this is where we'll start, and let me open the console. Oh my god. Side. My god. Yeah. So hexadecimals. JavaScript interprets numeric constants as hexadecimals if they are preceded by 0. Is this X or I think it's X? Yeah. So let's clear. I'm not used to this Chrome. I'm used to Firefox. So okay, var X. We just use the example provided. FF undefined. Why is it not giving? Oh, it's giving. Yeah. So X is 255, which 0xFF is a hexadecimal value, just representing 255, I think. Yeah. So never write a number with a leading 0 like 07. Some JavaScript versions interpret numbers as octals if they are written with a leading 0. By default, JavaScript displays numbers as base 10 decimals, but you can use toString method to output numbers from base 2 to base 36. Oh, by the way, if you don't know me, I'm Malcolm, and Kevin here is with us. The rest of the team will not be joining us since they have an ongoing project and they're rushing to a deadline. Yeah. So you can use toString method to output numbers from base 2 to base 36. So actually, toString changes from base 2 to base 36, and hexadecimal is base 16. Decimal is base 10, octal is base 8, binary is base 2. So when we say var my number, var my number equals to 32, my number toString will return toString, and you give it 10, it will return 32. 32, it will give back 10. I'm quite confused. toString 16 returns 20. toString 8 returns 40. toString 2 returns 10,000. Oh, yeah, I get it. So my number, which is 32 toString to, and you want to convert it to base 10, it will return 32. And 32 to base 32. Is 32 the base, Kevin? Please share. What do you think?
Yeah, I had the same. Okay, I was saying 32 because we're being told you can use toString method to output numbers from base 2 to 36 to base 36. Can you try out?
So the numbers are the bases.
Yeah? Yeah, what your, for example,
Uh-huh. And
like for example,
yeah,
by default we know that, for example, the ones being passed as
the
like
numbers.
the my number value is base 10. So in this case, I think they're converting it to base 10. I think
So oh,
I think
so
this should be, maybe it's a type or something. It should be base 36.
on 32, I
Yeah, I
think
see.
it's
It should.
32.
Why is it 32? Why should it? Why is it
Uh,
32? We
I
have a
think
base
the
10.
typo is on here, is on this place,
Uh-huh.
but not on this place. Yeah, let's try. 32. Oh, my comp is hanging. By the way, guys, this is a live event. Any technical difficulties, you should just bear with us. Let me close this. Mozilla. Mozilla. Okay. Okay, so let me try again. Or 32 dot. Whoa, still slow. Can you please share your screen? Share your screen so that you can. Oh, mine is fucked up, man. Numbers can be objects. My God, what? So it isn't. But I close this. Yeah, let me first quit. Jesus. Lock the screen on yours. Have you locked it on your screen? Have you locked the broadcast on your comp? Okay. So I'm still dealing with this crap. You can just continue. You are? Yeah. Uh, no, I'm not.
What about now? Can you get? Oh.
Can you try again?
Can you hear me now? Oh, not yet.
Yeah, I think my voice is.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we were testing. So assuming I have a variable, and if I want to know, haiwakingi hapa,
Oh, you working?
huwa haiwaki hapa unless uiweke we connect but uiweke hapa. So nikaa utatumia mic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it connects to the.
Umejimute. Umejimute tumia hii sasa. Okay.
So, assuming I have we have our A there. Want to convert by default it's base 10, yeah. So to string, then we have this is a base 10. We want to convert it to
yeah, it will just if A is 45, I think it will be 45.
because it's already in base 10, yeah. In this case, it's already in base 10. So what about base 2? Base 2 of 10 is usually, is it 10, 10? I'm expecting, oh, no. Our number is 45, so it will be something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how about, let's use,
Base 2, I think it's 10. Base 2, I think
let
it's
me use
0, 10.
something I'm familiar with, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what's our A now? A is 10. Yeah, I'm expecting a 10, 10. Okay. So how about a base? We were asking if this should be a base 36 or a base 2 or base 32.
Which one? Oh, A.
Yeah.
Try, yeah.
Let's see.
Try 32.
So 32 has returned A. What happens? Do we have a base 30?
Semicolon.
Semicolon after? Oh, here.
Yeah.
That won't bring any difference.
Oh my god.
So, because
Can you use another variable instead of using A?
okay. Okay, I have C to base 16. Base 16, which is the hexadecimal. Yeah? Okay. So hexadecimal of 7 is just equivalent to, oh, I think 10 is a good example.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, not 10. Let me use maybe 11.
Use assign 10 to another variable.
Huh?
Use D.
D, a letter.
Yeah, D equals to 10.
Oh.
Since you have used A, B.
Oh, let me put it as 11. So, let me so now we have D to string. We want it in, let's see base 2. This should be 10, 11. Yeah. Then hexadecimal bit of 11. Is it usually a B? Yeah.
Oh, a B. Okay.
Then octal, which is base 8. I'm not sure about octal.
I'm not sure.
Oh, so the actual version of D is 30.
And try
now
32.
Now the base 32. 32 is B. Base 32 is B, and 36 is also B.
2 is that. 8 that. Yeah.
What's the difference between the two?
Between
base 36 and 32.
I'm not sure.
Let's see. We can always.
That's Yahoo.
Huh? Yeah. Base 32 encoding. Let's see.
You remember the M-Pesa API
Yeah.
encoding?
So the toString method on number has an optional argument of radix. I assume they are, it's a base 36. They're converting this to that. They really, then,
That one is an encoding.
yeah. Let's see.
Must it be a decimal to be converted?
No. You can even convert an octal to. So let me just go back here. Let me use the example we had here, which was 0x or 0x then ff. Let me convert it to
Yes, 10.
base 10. Yeah, so it doesn't have to.
255 force in base.
Base 10, which is decimal.
0 XFF.
So
Which that was in base.
If we
that was a hexadecimal.
Yeah, this is already in the hexadecimal. But
Convert to 55.
So initially it was let me see, it was like this. 0 x. Yeah. If we check to a value of x is 255.
Okay.
So in short, it has its value is converted to base 10. It's not really returning the 0xff, which is an hexadecimal.
Understand.
Okay, so
Numbers can be objects.
Oh, I think JavaScript again will say that you should not create numbers as objects because it will slow down the system, as they always say when you use objects.
Yeah.
You remember in the other ones when we were using classes? When we were using like string, some other methods where yes, we will know how to create them objects, but the advice is that we should not use them. So I usually wonder the scenarios that you'll usually use them. But anyway, let's look at
When can we use
objects. For example, if you're creating a string, and maybe if you don't want to refer to the same objects.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have different objects you'll be manipulating, then probably can use objects.
But then if we have an object, a number object as 123, and another variable assigned to the same object, if we compare them, it will give false.
So
like I equals to
we usually do two types of comparison. Okay, we can always start with so you're saying like
var
if I
I
have var I
equals to new number.
Oh, this is now an object, so we create a number by doing that. Then our new number is
Just put n.
Okay.
54. And j is 254.
So I have another variable j, which is 2.
No, it's an object.
It's
Yeah.
So is equal to new number. This way.
Yeah. If you compare the two, I think it will give false.
Yeah, because they are different objects. Because they have, we usually, when you create an object, it has like different reference point.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The object IDs now comes in here.
So
That's what uniquely now differentiates them.
when comparing, we usually refer to the reference ID. Okay.
So there was a time we were trying to see a way that we can specifically know the object ID, but we didn't really find that in JavaScript.
Yeah.
So if we do this, it's false because these are different objects. Yeah. What about, oh, this also won't work because the type and value is also
Type and value are
false.
different.
But what about if I have now a variable k, which is also 254? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I want now to compare. Okay, it's 254.
L.
Okay, let me clear. So I have I, J, and K. Yeah. If I compare I with K, what am I left with?
A false, maybe. Yeah, I think it's a false. I'm positive.
It's false.
Yeah.
Ah, is this equal to this? Why am I expecting a true? Because the value, oh, okay, yes, I is an object, but its value is 254.
54.
K is a number whose,
And we have a scenario where
yeah,
I and J have two different reference IDs. So,
yeah, I and J have two
and it
references.
can't be same as J and same as I. So I think it will be false. It
Yeah,
can't be biased when choosing one over the other. Try.
it's true for me.
Ah.
Because because
Why? But
value,
try
value.
I compare
Okay, these are
compare
we
J
usually, okay,
with
usually
K.
you can't compare different objects.
Mhm.
That's usually like you can't they are different objects, so they are different object IDs. They never be equal. But in this case, we have an object whose value is 254, and we have a number whose value is 254. So when we do this, we the double equal. How are we calling this?
Same value and same type.
No, the triple is now the type and
Yeah,
value. This only checks for the
the
value.
value.
So if we do this, I'm expecting now this to be a false.
Because they are not objects.
Yeah, one is an object, this one is a number.
Yeah. So about try
Yeah.
try comparing J with K.
So J equal to K. J and K will still be true.
I will try. So I think when comparing, we don't check the reference IDs.
It's
We check we check
value.
on the value. Yeah.
So
But and again, it's confusing because
if
I
we
and J are not same, and they
so
have the same value.
so when we usually compare using value and type, but you can't compare objects. It will always be you can't compare two objects.
Why?
It will always be false.
Why?
Because they have different reference. In that
They
case,
have different
the
reference ID.
moment the moment is an object, now it's not looking at the value, but now at that point it's looking at the object ID or the reference. The object references a different location of the
Yeah,
different,
yeah.
yeah.
They are different locations.
So what happens is the moment you're dealing with objects, at that point now it doesn't look at the value. It now compares and
The
sees this is an object and they have different reference. So at that point it doesn't look at the value. The value, yes, is the same, but they have different references. But if you have an object and a number,
Mhm.
they are not objects. So the comparison in terms of value is valid.
is
It's
is
valid.
value. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So that's why if we do ij, this is always be false. It's like okay, we are in numbers, but let's go back to string a little. So if I have, okay, let me have x is hey, then I have y, which is also hey, yeah.
Yeah.
Then I have a variable, okay, z, which is new string, which is also hey. So value of x in this point is hey, y is hey, z. You can see the value of this, yeah?
Yeah.
X, Y, Z. So if I do
By the way,
that,
can you expand the string
can I expand?
by
Oh,
clicking that one?
so, oh, so it like divides this into like an array.
Oh yeah.
So if we compare X and Y, that will be true.
Oh, objects are have attributes and methods.
Objects, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So by creating a new object, which is a string, it assigns each and every character an index.
So we have, okay, actually Z, we created Z by creating a new string object. So if I have another, let me say Q, which is also a string, and I pass hey, yeah. So let's see, the value of Q is still this. If we now compare Z, which we created with a string object, and Q, I'm expecting a false.
A false, yeah.
We are comparing objects. But if you do Z with the other one, which is a string,
X,
yeah, you're expecting a true.
a tree.
Because this point now those are is comparing values. Or let me say these are comparable. Yeah. Okay, so but numbers cannot. We have talked of this. So type of X is number. Yeah, we can look at type of. We have Z, which is an object. Then we have X, the string. In our case, let's look at those type of. We had a K. Yeah, we have, yeah. So you can see the difference.
Yeah, object, string, number.
So do not create number objects, like I said. It slows down execution speed. The new keyword complicates the code. This can produce some unexpected. So when using this equal numbers are equal. Oh, here they're just trying to talking of now the differences.
The
We have to
values.
compare the values. So in this case, we check at values, but in this case, we look at types. If you use now this operator. Okay, now here's the part. Objects cannot be compared.
Yeah.
So that's like the baseline. Objects cannot, it's always be false because objects cannot be compared. Okay. So note the difference between this and this. Will always return false. Can we do the exercise?
The fourth one.
Eh? Oh, the fourth one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So, display the product. This using two variables x and y. So, we have variables, so we have to first create x is y. Not x is y. X is 6. Then y is 5. So I want to display the result here. Document. Back ID, which is them. It's HTML. We want the value of. We can do
X by
this. We can times. Yeah.
Can you see the hint they provided?
Oh, the hint. Use multiplication operator.
Not helping.
Really? Okay. Huh.
Yeah. So we're done with numbers.
Yeah. Let me see what they were
Yeah.
testing.
Let's try that.
Oh, this is a division. So
So
divide x
just
by
start by
3.
3. Yeah.
So I just do this.
See results.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very simply, they give, we use this operator. Uh, the value of that to find out what's wrong and fix it. Yeah, I like these ones.
Find out what's wrong
What's
and
wrong
fix
and
it.
fix it. Variable. Oh, we should use that should be express.
Oh, it's a string. Why is a string?
Yeah, so so result. Let's see the hem. No, will be treated as a string. So actually, if we let me undo. So this will be 56.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like concatenating.
Yeah.
And I will check that. What was this one testing? Get a variable that assignment and display.
Create a variable my number and send.
Oh, we can do that.
Yeah.
So number and assign it 50. Then we want to element. And yep. Okay, guys. Uh, that's the move for today, guys. Yes. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Till next time. See you.
See you.
In the next broadcast.
Bye.
Adios.